B. B. Example. She is a doctor. Have. Have. Example. They have a car. Do. Do. Example. He does his homework every day. Say. Say. Example. She said goodbye and left. Get. Get. Example. I get up early in the morning. Make. Make. Example. She makes delicious cakes. Go. Go. Example. We go to school by bus. No. No. Example. He knows the answer to that question. Take. Take. Example. Please take a seat. See. See. Example. I see what you mean. Come. Come. Example. They come to visit us every summer. Think. Think. Example. I think he's right. Look. Look. Example. She looked out the window. Want. Want. Example. I want to travel the world. Give. Give. Example. They gave me a present for my birthday. Use. Use. Example. We use computers at work. Find. Find. Example. I found my keys under the sofa. Tell. Tell. Example. Can you tell me the time? Ask. Ask. Example. She asked me a question. Work. Work. Example. He works as a teacher. Seem. Seem. Example. It seems like a good idea. Feel. Feel. Example. She feels happy today. Try. Try. Example. I'll try to finish it by tomorrow. Leave. Leave. Example. They left early in the morning. Call. Call. Example. I'll call you later. Need. Need. Example. She needs help with her homework. Want. Want. Example. They want to go to the beach. Like. Example. I like chocolate ice cream. Open. Open. Example. Please open the door. Start. Start. Example. They started the race. Stand. Stand. Example. Please stand up. Move. Move. Example. They moved to a new house. Live. Live. Example. They live in London. Believe. Believe. Example. I believe in you. Continue. Continue. Example. They continued walking. Bring. Bring. Example. Could you bring me a glass of water? Happen. Happen. Example. What happened next? Write. Write. Example. She writes poems in her free time. Provide. Provide. Example. The company provides excellent benefits. Sit. Sit. Example. Please sit down and relax. Stand. Stand. Example. He stood at the bus stop. Here. Here. Example. I heard a strange noise last night. Allow. Allow. Example. They don't allow smoking in here. Spend. Spend. Example. I spent all day studying. Change. Change. Example. She changed her mind. Lose. Lose. Example. I don't want to lose my keys again. Ask. Ask. Example. Can I ask you a question? Understand. Understand. Example. Do you understand the instructions? Learn. Learn. Example. He learns quickly. Need. Need. Example. You need to eat something. Mean. Mean. Example. What does that word mean? Keep. Keep. Example. Please keep the door closed. Let. Let. Example. He let me borrow his car. Meet. Meet. Example. They met at the cafe. Pay. Pay. Example. She paid for the groceries. Include. Include. Example. The price includes taxes. Build. Build. Example. They built a new house. Supply. Supply. Example. The store supplies fresh produce. Remember. Remember. Example. I remember her from school. Show. Show. Example. He showed me how to do it. Develop. Develop. Example. They are developing new software. Keep. Keep. Example. Keep quiet, please. Support. Support. Example. She supports her family financially. Talk. Talk. Example. They talked for hours. Love. Love. Example. She loves her cat. Agree. Agree. Example. We all agreed on the plan. Reach. Reach. Example. He reached for the book on the shelf. Receive. Receive. Example. She received a letter from her friend. Pick. Pick. Example. He picked up the pen from the table. Watch. Watch. Example. They watched a movie last night. Fail. Fail. Example. I hope I don't fail the exam. Return. Return. Example. He returned the book to the library. Led. Led. Example. She leads the team to victory. Listen. Listen. Example. Please listen to what I'm saying. Consider. Consider. Example. They considered all options. Appear. Appear. Example. He appeared out of nowhere. Buy. Buy. Example. She bought a new dress. Serve. Serve. Example. They serve breakfast until 10:20 a.m. Die. Die. Example. He died peacefully in his sleep. Create. Create. Example. She creates beautiful artwork. Reach. Reach. Example. They reached their destination. Accept. Accept. Example. She accepted the job offer. Carry. Carry. Example. He carries a backpack everywhere. Break. Break. Example. She broke her arm in the accident. Develop. Develop. Example. The project developed into a success. Speak. Speak. Example. He speaks English fluently. Live. Live. Example. They live in a big house. Remain. Remain. Example. Please remain seated until the bus stops. Move. Move. Example. They moved to a new city. Apply. Apply. Example. She applied for a job at the company. Agree. Agree. Example. They agreed to meet at the cafe. Carry. Carry. Example. Please carry this bag for me. Discuss. Discuss. Example. They discussed the problem thoroughly. Respond. Respond. Example. He responded to the email promptly. Break. Break. Example. I hope I don't break the vase. Jump. Jump. Example. He jumped over the fence. Visit. Visit. Example. They visited Paris last summer. Remain. Remain. Example. Please remain calm in an emergency. Grow. Grow. Example. The flowers grew beautifully in the garden. Prepare. Prepare. Example. She prepared dinner for her family.